To make this delicious Honduran spaghetti, we will need these few ingredients. We're going to make our own tomato sauce. We've got tomatoes, we have an onion, and that's pretty much all we need. We're going to boil these ingredients together, add them to a saucepan. I'm using tomato sauce, but you can use water. This is just an extra tomato sauce that I had in my fridge. Now we just boil these ingredients till they're tender. Gonna add a little bit of oregano. Once these ingredients are tender, we're gonna transfer them to a food processor. And we're only gonna get the solid ingredients out of the sauce. And we're gonna leave the liquid out. And we're just gonna process this till it's smooth. We're gonna transfer that all back to the saucepan and cook it for till it boils. Now we're done with that, and we're gonna assemble our spaghetti. We have tomato sauce on the pan. We have our spaghetti. We combine that together. This is one of the best spaghettis I've ever tasted. We add our soy yogurt. You could use cashew cream or cashews. I don't really like cashews. I prefer soy yogurt of some type. It's kind of lower in fat, but you could use whatever you like. And now we serve. And I want to serve this simple, just the pasta and the sauce. It's amazing, delicious.